I'm gonna show you how to use MT5 on pocket option. So to get started, you have to open your pocket option first, and then from there you just have to click on MT5 by clicking on your profile right there, and then you have to go on trading, and then from trading you will see all the account from there. So you can go to Forex MT5 demo account, or you can go to Forex real account. So from here, if you're going to click on Forex real account, just have to click on Forex real account, and then after that you just have to wait for it to load down, and then you can only trade using Forex real account. You just have to sign in, or you just have to sign up using your MT5 account. So from here, you are now on Forex MT5 real account, as you can see on the upper left corner right here. And also there you can change it from Forex trading to cryptocurrency, or to whatever you like. So from here, to trade, you just have to sign up or sign in into your account by clicking on this icon right here and press this login account in here. It will pop up the account settings. So from there, you just have to connect your account by clicking or logging in your username and then your password, and then you just have to click on connect account. Also, you can open a demo account in here by clicking this one and fill up all of those necessary details right here. So again, from there, once you're done signing in, all you have to do is just trade, or you can deposit real money in this icon on the upper right here, and then it will redirect you into a next page where you can top up any amount. Then from there you have the options from USDT, Gcash, or whatever you have in reference. So from there, you just have to press on back, and then you can now start trading on pocket option with Forex MT5. So that's it.